Welcome to Dishes with Derek. For this episode, we went camping. It was quite interesting, so here it is.
Okay, so our first problem while doing this, John forgot to bring the poles for the tent back there, so we're having to improvise by getting sticks and drilling them into the ground. Yeah, this is gonna be interesting. So
Huh?
how do you feel about this?
Today. How do I feel?
Yeah.
Pretty excited, actually.
Can I know this is the first time John is voluntarily being on camera?
Yeah.
So we just have to screw up utterly for him to be on camera. It could have gone better. It was like the commercial. John had that stupid coin, which brings us bad luck every time we do something. This time we forgot the tent poles, so we had to end up improvising. And luckily, it was my idea to hang the top of a tent on one of these things. Yeah, one of these things. So, luckily we got the tent to go up, and now we're starting our fire, and we don't know if the tent's big enough to fit everyone, so John is threatening to sleep outside, I guess.
So, who'll start cooking?
Okay, so
You have to put out a fire.
yeah, it's cold. It dropped from about it was 60 degrees when we got here. It dropped to 45 now. It's probably gonna end up like around 30 by the time midnight. There's people coming down the road, but so you want another hot dog? But we were told to put out the fire by some lady. We had to run up to the dollar store and buy charcoal.
It's an RV. Yeah, they're just going to the RV.
And so we have to use charcoal to use the cast iron now. And I was cooking my second round of hot dogs, and yeah, they're quite delicious. I cook them before they. I would eat them before they get cold because it's 45 degrees.
Oh, you're right.
Paul decided to go into the girls' bathroom at the campsite.
It is 8:11, and I guarantee it's not 51 degrees. But
Show them with your breath. That ain't 51.
yeah, that ain't 51. So we're blocking the door, so Qua's gonna have a difficult time getting out. So I would ask him lower.
Whatever you say, it's much nicer in the girl bathroom.
I feel great.
You heard that right?
Good morning, it's 8 a.m., it's 27 degrees. We woke up about an hour ago to start cooking food, but it's so cold and I really don't have an appetite. I don't know about anyone else, but last night about 12, all of us woke up and went and slept in our cars because the tent was just so cold and it had frost around it. And so I guess you could say this was successful-ish camping. But yeah, hopefully next time it goes much better and we don't forget tent poles. We got 2 pieces of thick bacon. No, 4 pieces of thin bacon. I don't think anyone's happy with how cold it is right now. Oh yeah. Next time, come more prepared. And when it's not 30 degrees out, preferably, or it's not even 30, it says 55. I don't believe that, but it feels like 44. I don't believe that either. But yeah, so just come more prepared, and then we'll be good. And when it's warm.